I'm at the 2018 Serrano at Niello at Serrano Eldorado Hills Concours d'Elegance, and they're doing the awards ceremony now, and I'm going to try to talk my way through this, see if we can walk through here, show you some of the cars that come out for the concours at Serrano by Niello, Eldorado Hills at Serrano Country Club. I brought the 1960 Eldorado Biarritz. I get chastised for the way I say that. Sorry. I judged the classic car division, which included the cars that I'm walking by here now, the 41 Cadillac, the 32 Auburn, the Isota Francesca, Packards, and the 32 Cadillac V12. So the cars in line here are waiting their turn at the awards presentation. The white 57 Eldorado, the Bob
Michael brought out a 66 Mercedes-Benz 200 today, and he is taken to third in class. Michael, can you step right over on this side? This young lady would love to have her picture taken. Michael, congratulations on your third. Bob Buckner. Bob Buckner.
There's a preservation class. The Corvette right there is a 22,000 mile original car.
Well, we got a sub because we've got Bob coming in and we've got class. 1971 Mercedes 280S.
And then up on the hill, we have all of the sports and exotics.
Shell's taking the award. We've got that covered now. We've got Bob also sitting in front of us. And he's sitting here with his 1960 Mercedes-Benz 200 SE Cabriolet. And the top drops, the price goes up. Beautiful vehicle. 220. 220 SE. Congratulations on a well-deserved turn. Is James Buckner among us? James is making his way up. James came out today with a 72 Porsche 911T.
Somebody
right around this way.
saw this come in and said,
Thank
oh,
you, James.
Ferrari station wagon.
Would you step right up to see this young lady? James came out with a 72 Porsche 911T and is taking the third in class with his vehicle. Congratulations. Porsche, there you go. Mike Epperson, is Mike among us? Mike,
Okay, so there you have it.
Mike brought out his 1961
2018
Mercedes 190 SL.
Serrano.
Wasn't that purchase new, I guess, by
Concours
the owner's
Eldorado.
stepfather? Is that correct? Nice.
Thanks for watching.
So this car was awarded to him on his college graduation. So